Hi guys, welcome to African Beyond Television Network, and my name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. So I came across this picture of Prophet T. Freddy, vari kumaAvenues, Nana CC, and I just thought kuti maybe we need to talk about this. Was this necessary for Prophet T. Freddy to have a picture vari kumaAvenues talking Nana CC? Was he preaching the word of God, or what kind of gospel was he preaching to these ladies? Because if you look at these ladies, the way they are standing next to his car, they're at work, and you can actually see through their faces that these guys are at work. And the question is, what kind of gospel was Prophet T. Freddy preaching? Is it proper for a man of God to be seen kumaAvenues, ananasisa chitorogoma pictures? Was this picture taken by somebody close to Prophet T. Freddy, or somebody among the girls shot this picture and published it? We don't know. So I don't know. Guys, I just need you to come into the comment section to tell me, what do you really think about this picture? Is this picture proper given the history of Papa or Prophet T. Freddy? It does have controversies, and etc. But he was acquitted by the courts. The court said he never raped that woman or that lady from the ZBC. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. I just decided to come with this one. Please tell me, what do you think? So before you leave, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, to comment and share.